By request, Kick-Ass Facts, purple, pew pew pew! In 1856, William Henry Perkin, at just 18 years of age, was trying to synthesize quinine, which was a Victorian treatment against malaria. He created a purple liquid instead. Until then, purple was so expensive it was worn only by royalty in the church. The Romans declared purple a status symbol. Julius Caesar decreed that no one else was allowed to wear it except for himself. Elizabeth I wore purple to her coronation banquet in 1559, and when she died in 1603, her coffin was draped in purple velvet. Since these times, purple in the West has become the color of royalty. In Thailand, purple is the color of mourning. Thai widows wear it to signify sorrow. Purple, or violet, is a combination of the power, energy, and strength of red with the integrity and truth of blue. It's a color favored by those who seek connections with the higher realm, the universe, and beyond. It's the color we link with spiritual awareness and reflection, which is why it's favored by those following a spiritual vocation or for meditating, for self-contemplation, and the search of a higher truth. Porphyrophobia is a fear of the color purple. Purple is the hardest color for the eye to distinguish. Purple is the color for epilepsy awareness because of its association with lavender, which is a traditional herbal treatment for the disease. There's a forbidden city in Beijing, China, which is actually called the Purple Forbidden City, which is a reference to a secret purple area in heaven thought to be centered somewhere around the North Star. Tyrian purple, sometimes called Phoenician purple, is a reddish-purple pigment first produced around 1600 BCE. It was made from the secretion of decomposing tropical sea snails. It was complicated and time-consuming to make a garment of this hue, as it took days for the dye to be developed to the right shade of purple, and apparently it smelled really bad. Technically, purple doesn't exist. There are 7 colors within the visible spectrum of light: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Each color has its own corresponding wavelength and frequencies. When these waves overlap, they create a new color. Purple is a mix of the red and blue waves overlapping as they bounce back. Purple and all its shades are the colors our brain interprets when looking at red and blue together. Violet is not purple. Although they're often used interchangeably and look extremely similar to each other to the naked eye, they're different. For one, violet surpasses blue on the visible spectrum and has the shortest wavelength. Contrary to popular belief, there are words that rhyme with purple. Herpel and kerpel are the 2 most common rhymes. Herpel means to hobble or walk with a limp, while kerpel means buttocks. There's also slang such as nurple, which comes from purple nurple, or the action of violently twisting someone's nipple. However, words like circle, herbal, and turtle still technically rhyme with purple. They are called half rhymes or imperfect rhymes. Purple first appeared in prehistoric art during the Neolithic era. These works have been dated to 16,000 and 25,000 BCE. The Persian king Cyrus adopted a purple tunic as his royal uniform, and some Roman emperors forbid their citizens from wearing purple under penalty of death, and there is a purple frog, the species of amphibian found in India.